Hey guys, we're back. Charles Scicli here, Nestled Properties, bringing a very special listing in Old Las Palmas, Palm Springs, just under 7,000 square feet on over a half acre, 853 North Potencio. Come on in. Welcome to this prime estate in Old Las Palmas. The interior, again, is just under 7,000 square feet. You have 6 bedrooms, including a guest house, 9 bathrooms, huge open floor plan, multiple fireplaces, big pool and spa with huge mountain views and tons of potential. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing in Old Las Palmas. This is truly a one-of-a-kind estate. I'm Charles Scicli with Nestled Properties. For more information, contact me direct.